Are you trying to locate the fuse box in your 2026 Genesis GV70? In this video, we're checking out all the fuse boxes from the engine compartment to the cabin area. I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your SUV's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Engine compartment fuse box. The engine compartment fuse box is located near the battery and protects essential systems like the ECU, ABS, cooling fans, and headlights. It features a weather-resistant cover and labeled diagram for easy identification and replacement. Engine compartment fuse box sub-junction block. The engine compartment fuse box sub-junction block is located in the engine bay and supports additional circuits beyond the main fuse box. It safeguards vital components with extra fuses and relays, ensuring reliable power distribution to specific systems. Passenger compartment fuse box. The passenger compartment fuse box is located beneath the dashboard, usually on the driver's side. It controls and protects circuits for interior functions such as lights, power windows, audio system, and other in-cabin electronics. Luggage compartment fuse box. The luggage compartment fuse box is positioned in the trunk area, typically behind a side panel or trim. It protects and manages circuits for rear electrical components, such as tail lights, power outlets, and other trunk-related systems. Luggage compartment fuse box, battery junction. The luggage compartment fuse box, battery junction, is located near the vehicle's battery in the trunk area. It provides protection and power distribution for high current circuits, ensuring safe operation of major electrical systems connected directly to the battery. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.